I'm deep in the North American rainforest of BC, and our trail looks like this. Ah, sucker. Dandy.
And revealed all the truth, no escape. Say it like it is this time for me to hear.
Into the unknown. You just had this flagged off. I hear the river. I'm going to take a sec to go ahead on foot. Hard riding through there. Not hard, but real dense. Oh, this is rideable. Let's see. How did somebody get a stove out here, dude? Deep jungle camping. North American rainforest. Here, we'll get a clip. I'm deep in the North American rainforest of BC, and our trail looks like this. It's funny, earlier I was complaining about how first gear was a little too low. I wasn't complaining, but I was thinking it. And now I'm thinking it's too high. It's not actually too bad. Oh! Oh, didn't quite make it. There we go. Beautiful. Nothing like a little bit of hard enduro. Of course, there's another big log. I really hope this trail goes somewhere. Okay, we're right on the cliff edge. Going over logs. I'm just praying that this trail goes somewhere. And all these logs, I should have brought my saw. Whew. I've got a street helmet on. Sweaty. Better territory. Oh, finally a cut log. Let's see if I make it. Just barely. Another one. Whew. This riding's high key terrible. Oh God. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, come on. Why are you doing this to me? Oh, shitter. Just an update. It's kind of getting dark now. I just took a little break and just got over a big ass log. Had to carry the bike over. I really hope this is the end of the difficulties. Just do what I gotta do to get out of here. I'm not turning back at this point. We do have a light on the bike though, so, and I got my camping gear, so worst comes to worst, I sleep off the tiredness and drive out in the morning, but I'd rather sleep somewhere nice. Some swamp. Looks like alright, we might be home free here. Well, I don't want to speak too soon, but that was a nice little jump. With all the logs for like an hour now. I think we're just gonna ride back to a good spot and then see if we can get to the river maybe from lower. Oh yeah, she's good. Whew. Woo! Made it. I'm gonna get some good shots in the morning. I'm posted up at on the mountain. The river didn't work out. It was too steep on all the sides. But that's the way adventuring goes someday. I think I'm just gonna lay down a while longer and then pack up, go home. It's yeah, that's pretty much it.